Hey, welcome to One Word Suggestion. I'm your host, Aaron Thompson, and this week's word is taxes.
For inspiration, can I please get a one-word suggestion?
One word suggestion.
One word suggestion.
One word suggestion.
Welcome to the podcast. I'm Aaron Thompson. Most people think improv is just for comedy or maybe jazz music, but it's also a powerful tool for life. And in each 3-minute episode of this series, I use a single word suggested by you as a leaping off point to explore how developing an improvisational mindset will help you perform at a higher level, both personally and professionally, whether you have a career on or off the stage. This week's word, taxes, was suggested by Donnie. The wealthiest man in the world, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, allegedly paid zero tax in 2020. But rich people don't pay less tax because they're cheaters. They pay less tax because they know how to play the game. Or at least their accountants do. Navigating the ever-changing and complicated world of tax law is a full-time job. So if you've got the money, it makes sense to hire someone to help you keep more of it legally. Whether this is fair is another story, but the point is you have to know the rules before you can take advantage of them. In business, this applies to profit as well as to your most valuable asset of all, people. The basic rules of human behavior around communication, collaboration, teamwork, listening, and building on each other's ideas can be almost as complicated as tax law. But once you have a clear understanding of how things can work, unforetold riches abound. And one of the best ways to grow your people is to train them in the art of improvisation. Hiring an improv trainer is like hiring a good accountant. The best ones will help you make more, save more, and keep more of what or who you already have. These days, unhappy staff are less likely to revolt and more likely to just quit. And when they go, your IP goes out the door with them, no matter how good an NDA they may have signed. And their cost to replace them is high, as much as 33% of their salary on average, and over 150% in some C-suite instances. Advertising, recruiting, interviewing, screening, hiring, onboarding, and training all add up. But the cultural cost can be even higher. Whenever someone leaves, others take time to ask why, and if things start to snowball, it can be disastrous. The bottom line is improv training can improve your bottom line, especially when everyone from the top down participates. And it will make work more fun for everyone. Yes, I know fun may not be your main objective, but happy employees are more healthy, productive, creative, and collaborative. The labor market is tight, and employee retention has never been more important. Building a fun and functional workplace will help attract talent, keep talent, and reduce your productivity tax. Navigating the ever-changing and complicated world of humans, especially humans that work together, is a full-time job. So if you've got the money, it makes sense to hire someone to help you keep more of it legally. There are lots of companies who claim their business workshops are the best, but if you want real results you can see on your balance sheet and you don't want to set your company up as a double Irish with a Dutch sandwich, PowerProv is a great place to start. So that's my take on taxes. Thanks for the great suggestion, Donnie. If you want to suggest a word for next week or add your perspective, drop me a note in the comments or in a review. And if you're enjoying One Word Suggestion, I invite you to subscribe, like, share, and all that jazz. And in the meantime, if you're interested in improv for personal growth, professional achievement, or just for fun, my suggestion is to get yourself into an improv class or book a corporate training workshop for your team. You can learn all about PowerProv's programs at powerprov.com. Thanks for listening. One Word Suggestion is brought to you by PowerProv. Please visit us at powerprov.com for more info.